Hey guys, remember when fidget cubes were all the rage? Well, I'm going to be comparing a few of them in this video. I am Silverwolf and welcome to my channel. So, years ago fidget cubes came out and they were pretty expensive if you wanted an official one. I mean, I think they were like retailing at something like 20 quid or something in the UK. The Zuru Fidget Cube by Antsy Labs. It was pretty expensive. So I ended up getting a couple of Chinese knockoffs basically from eBay that were like a couple of pounds each. And they were great. They were well made. I've never broken them or anything, although some people complained that the joystick part of the fidget cube would snap on the bootleg ones. But it never happened to me. I guess I wasn't that rough with them. They came in these neat little sort of carry cases, as you can see here. And I got a couple of them. So this is one of them. I'll show you the other one as well. Oh, it's actually come out. There we go. First time that's happened. I didn't know the inside of the thing came out. And I was just saying how they weren't quite as badly made as I thought. So we've got a couple here. Get the thing to focus on them. There we go. Doesn't really like focusing on that. The Galaxy one. So we've got a Galaxy one and a camo print one as well. And these are made of sort of like a velvety material. It's quite a nice material. It feels nice when you sort of fidget with it. Put this one away again. So these ones, they have all the same kind of fidgets as the official ones. You've got clicky buttons or non-clicky buttons. You've got the little joystick thing. These bits here, a ball that you can play with or press. This thing, which you kind of like, I don't know, put your thumb over. One of these. And a light switch. And I've spent a long time playing with this one, to be fair. I have it on my coffee table and I've taken it places as well if I've needed something to fidget with. So when we get out this one by Antsy Labs, it's pretty much the same. Now I'm not sure who invented the fidget cube. I think it was Antsy Labs, but I don't know. This one, it feels, as soon as you sort of like hold it in your hand, it feels more quality. The things roll a little bit easier. And this one here clicks, whereas on the other one it doesn't. And also these, you've got the 3 clicky ones and the 2 that don't. But they feel more springy than the bootleg ones. This one feels about the same, but it does feel sturdier. And the light switch feels about the same really. And then you've got this one here. I was surprised to find out when I came across fidget cubes again that they actually retail for about £3.99 now. The ones from Antsy Labs in the UK. And I got the one that's sort of changes purple to blue. The light is terrible in here today, so you can't actually see how nice this one is. But it's quite shiny. So really, there isn't much difference between the bootleg ones and the official ones except for this clicky bit. And I'll compare them. And of course that's actually got Fidget Cube written on it there as well. You can see. So not that anyone's probably that interested anymore, to be fair, because they were a bit of a craze that's kind of gone along with fidget spinners. But if you wanted to know what the difference was between the bootleg ones and the official ones, there isn't much difference, and the bootleg ones seem to be just as kind of sturdy. One thing though that I've just noticed is that the bootleg one is slightly bigger. And also, this bit's longer than this. Which means there's more scope for this bit actually breaking. You could probably snap that quite easily. whereas this one is closer to the actual cube itself, so it's kind of more compact and less likely to get caught on things and snap off. But other than that, they're pretty much the same. As for fidget cubes now, I know you can still get them. I know you can still get Chinese bootleg ones in a range of different colours, and I know that Antsy Labs are still making them. So, are they a good idea to get if you feel a bit fidgety? Yes. I think they're better than the fidget spinners, to be fair. I've not tried the bubble. It's kind of like a latex rubber kind of bubble stuff that you push in and out. They seem to be a bit popular at the moment. I've never even touched one. I don't even know what it's like. I imagine it's a little bit like popping bubble wrap, but you can poke the bubbles back out again. And I know it's only like the bubble part of it, and it's not like both sides of the bubble wrap. It's just the bubble. And the other thing that I've seen is fidget slugs. I have a fidget slug. He's quite fun. I got him from America actually. He's a really nice quality one. And those sort of like tangly fidget kind of, I don't know what you'd call them actually. They're kind of like noodle things, and it's all kind of like all one thing. I do have one of them. I've no idea where it is. I got it some years ago, but I found that the fidget cubes work best out of any of these fidget things, so that's why I've always kind of gone to those. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I don't know how useful it will be, because like I said, fidget cubes just aren't really the thing anymore. So, I don't know, but I thought I would do a video comparing them. Okay, so that's it for this time. You can click out the boxes that come up below if you want to see more. The guinea pigs with the fidget spinners will be down there. I thought that was a video I was quite proud of, actually, getting my guinea pigs to stand there with fidget spinners. As always, check out my Etsy and the Monday stores if you want to buy any artwork or get commissions or anything. If you can't afford any of that, you can always send me a tip over on my Ko-fi. Any tips are always appreciated if you enjoy what I do and like my videos. It always helps. So that's all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.